Inside every great structure is a material born with intention, where strength meets innovation. Introducing the Shera Philippines manufacturing plant, crafted with precision to power the next generation of construction. From the ground up, built to redefine how we build, smarter, faster, and greener. This is where progress begins. It all starts with the preparation of raw materials, carefully selected and processed to meet the highest standards of strength and sustainability. Our high-efficiency boilers generate the steam that powers the heart of our process. Here, pulp, cement, silica, and water come together, mixed with accuracy for consistent quality. The mixture is shaped into perfect sheets through our board machines, designed for uniform thickness and structure. Fresh boards are carefully stacked, preparing for the transformation ahead. Boards are cured in autoclaves at high heat and pressure, boosting durability and longevity. After curing, boards are cooled, organized, and palletized, ready for dispatch. Our efficient logistics system ensures timely and secure delivery to every corner of the country. Beyond the product, we're committed to supporting you every step of the way with responsive and reliable customer care. From homes to high-rises, Shera materials help shape safe, sustainable, and happy spaces, built to last and made with care for the planet. At Shera, sustainability isn't just about materials. It's about creating spaces that truly connect with nature.